Hello, I am Rachel Kramer, a research librarian, and this video will teach you to use the CQ Researcher database. Let's get started. From the MCC homepage, scroll down past the picture and click the library link. This is the library's homepage. Go to Research Resources and click on Databases A to Z. In the Commonly Used Databases box, click on CQ Researcher. If you are working from off-campus, you will be prompted to log in. Simply use the same username and password that you use for Brightspace and student email. CQ Researcher publishes in-depth reports on topics and current events. Your options for this argumentative paper are child labor or book bans. In the search box, type either child labor or book bans inside quotation marks. Using quotation marks tells the search system to bring back results with that exact phrase. Let's look at child labor first. It looks like there is a report from 1996. This report will not give you information on the current situation, but it will provide great information on the history of child labor in the United States and in other countries. It is also possible that CQ Researcher will release an updated report between when this video was recorded and when you begin your research. Now let's try searching for book bans. There are two results. Free speech on campus is related to book bans, but parents' rights will be the most relevant report. This is the full report. You have options to download it, cite it, print it, email it to someone, and if you have a CQ Researcher account, you can save the report to your account. On the left are all the different sections of the report. The reports are long, but they are written for the general public, so they are easier to read than other scholarly sources. Be sure to check out the pro-con section, where two experts with different opinions on the topic answer the same question. The pro-con section could be very helpful for planting a naysayer in your argumentative papers. In addition, the footnotes and the bibliography can give you great suggestions for more sources for your papers. And that is how you use CQ Researcher. If you have any questions or need any help, please do not hesitate to contact me or another MCC librarian. And be sure to check out the other video on the database, Gale in Context: Opposing Viewpoints. Good luck with your papers.